Kung mahilig ka sa shawarma, orderin mo na yung 12 inches yung haba, diba? It's filled with vegetables, fries, that amazing garlic sauce, and your choice of meat, pwedeng beef or chicken. And it's not even the first time I'm trying their products kasi talagang bumibili kami dito dahil subok na namin yung lasa niyan. This is none other than Camir at nagpunta kami dito sa branch nila sa San Fernando na katapat ng Walter Mart. Open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. at available din sila sa GrabFood and Foodpanda. If you're looking for something light, you can have their shawarma salad. Tapos may option ka rin kung gusto mong magkahalong beef and chicken yung protein. Tapos eto na nga yung ating napakahabang shawarma. At yung gusto ko pa dito, pag nagda-dine-in ka, ayan, pwede kang mag-add ng sauce. Pagdating sa flavor, hindi naman na ako nabibigla na masarap yung shawarma dito kasi nga palagi kaming bumibili dyan. You get a good hit of Middle Eastern spices pero hindi overpowering. Ito naman yung kabsa, also served with that garlic sauce tapos yung parang tomato salsa on the side. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon but it adds a really nice freshness to the dish. Tapos meron siyang side ng stir-fried na carrots, onions, and raisins which gives you a really good balance of flavors. Ito namang fries nila ang sarap ng pagkaka-season. You get interesting spices at merong konting-konting anghang. And lastly, syempre meron din tayo mga refreshing drinks perfect sa init ng summer. The next time you're craving for some shawarma and kabsa, itry nyo na rin dito sa Camir.